Hello, peacemakers. Have you ever found yourself searching Google for ways to handle conflict resolution, but can't seem to find the right solution? Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to get personalized guidance for conflict resolution. Let's dive in. To start with, let's head over to chat.openai.com, where we meet our friendly AI, ChatGPT. Here, ChatGPT gave us a basic framework for conflict resolution. But what if we want more detailed advice? Let's dig deeper with a more comprehensive prompt. Amazing, right? ChatGPT just provided us with a detailed guide on conflict resolution, including strategies for effective communication, empathy, and finding common ground. It's like having your own personal conflict resolution advisor. You know, they say a conflict is just a conversation that hasn't happened yet. With ChatGPT, it's like having a translator to help you understand the other person's language. So give ChatGPT a try and turn those conflicts into constructive conversations. If you like the content and want to see more of that, consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.